Hello, this is John N5ID with lesson number 3 with regards to learning CW. Each day the lessons will get a little bit longer because we will review the previous lessons. We're going to add I, J, K, and L today, but let's go back and review what we've already learned. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's review it one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And what you can do is go back and re-watch videos 1 and 2 if you need more review. Today we're going to add 4 more letters. We're going to add I. I is dit dit. We're going to add J. J is dit da da da. We're going to add K. K is da dit da. K. L. L is dit da dit dit. Dit da dit dit. L. Now let's write those down. We need to make a practice of writing each letter down. I is dit dit. J is dit da da da. K is da dit da. L is dit da dit dit. Again, I is dit dit. J is dit da da da. K is da dit da. And L is dit da dit dit. If you need to pause the video and write that down, that's fine. I'm not going to edit these videos and put the dits and das on the screen. This is just a hillbilly redneck video trying to help people learn the greatest mode in the world, CW. Let's go back through it again. I, J, K, L. I'm going to send a few words. Jake, J-A-K-E. If you missed the A and E, go back and review lessons 1 and 2. Jake, J-A-K-E. Another word. I messed up. I'm going to go back and send it again. Kill, K-I-L-L. Kill, K-I-L-L. Another word. Jack, J-A-C-K. Jack, J-A-C-K. Jill, J-I-L-L. Jill. Let's go back and review this. I is, J is, K is, and L. So today we've added I, J, K, and L. So far we've learned A to L. And tomorrow we're going to add M, N, O, and P. Now if you want to watch 2 or 3 videos a day, that's fine. But I'm telling you, when I learned it, I just added a few letters every day. So again, we've learned A through L. Thank you for watching the video, and God bless.